A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are at IMTEX Day 2, booth number 2B, hall number 2B, sorry, and we are here at Italian Trade Pavilion with a very, friendly guy, my dear friend, I can say, Mr. Narinderjit Singh. It's good to meet you, Narinderjit Singh. Can you tell us more about your company? What does it do?
Okay, so actually the company name is ORT Italia. So we are the thread rolling manufacturer. We can say we are manufacturing the thread rolling machine since 1964. So it's almost more than 60 years. The ORT has making the thread rolling machines and providing the different kind solutions to roll different kind of profiles. It's not just a fastener, but beyond the faster there is a lot of another kind of profiles like splines or ball screws that our machines can roll. We are the world leader to produce three slide machines because we have single slide, double slide, three slide machines. So in the three slide machines we are the world leader with our technologies that we can roll also the hollow parts, especially the tube rolling finning process where there is impossible to roll with double standard machines, we can say. So we are providing very good solutions in that case. And from last 5 to 10 years, even also before, but in last 5 to 10 years, the complete turnkey solution is demanding much more in all over the world, we can say. So we are providing the complete automation of our machines itself. So with the maybe robot, gantry system, pick and place system, any kind of automation which is suitable for our process, because it's not every time it's easy to you can just put a robot and that's it. It's sometimes you have to study the parts, study the shape of the job, and then only you can find the right solution. So we are providing complete all of our solutions to our customers for thread rolling and profile rolling, spline rolling, or different kinds of tube rollings.
And today is day 2. Can you let us know, our audience, what sort of customers you have met? What is your experience?
So as this is our fourth time in last 8 years that we are participating. So and overall we have very good experience in overall with the IMTEX, and the same I think this year I am finding out it's much more it should be.
Okay.
Because and it will be, I think, by seeing these 2 days we have okay, the first day was like little bit smooth, of course I can imagine, but today really from 9 a.m. I am here, and just now I have just got some 5 seconds of time to speak with you.
Correct.
So it's I think next coming days it will be much better and very good.
Thank you, Mr. Singh. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are coming to IMTEX, do visit ORT Italia booth at Italian Trade Pavilion, hall number 2B, booth number A128. It's pleasure meeting you, Mr. Singh.
Same here.
See you
Same here.
soon
Thank you.
in Italia.
Jaldi milange.
Jaldi.